It's 1950. Physicist Enrico Fermi is having lunch with colleagues at Los Alamos. They're joking about alien life. Then Fermi goes quiet. He does some quick math in his head and asks a question that has haunted science ever since. Where is everybody? That three-word question became one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in human history, the Fermi Paradox. Here's the problem. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. Our galaxy alone has 400 billion stars. Most of those stars have planets. Many of those planets are in the habitable zone. The math says intelligent life should be everywhere. Millions of civilizations should exist. Some should be billions of years more advanced than us. So where are they? Why haven't we heard a single signal? Why is the universe completely, terrifyingly silent? Let's start with the Drake equation. In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake created a formula. The equation multiplies together star formation rate, fraction with planets, fraction with habitable conditions, fraction where life develops, fraction becoming intelligent, fraction developing communication, and how long civilizations last. When you plug in optimistic numbers, you get millions of civilizations. Even conservative estimates suggest thousands. And yet, silence. This is the Fermi Paradox. The math says they should be there. The silence says they're not. Scientists have proposed dozens of solutions. Let me walk you through the most chilling ones. Solution 1. The Great Filter. What if there's a nearly impossible step in developing intelligent life? The question is terrifying. Is the filter behind us or ahead of us? If the filter is behind us, we already passed it. We're lucky survivors, and the silence makes sense. We're alone. If the filter is ahead of us, every civilization that reaches our level eventually destroys itself, every single one. The silence means we're next. This is why some scientists say finding life on Mars would be the worst news. More life found means filter likely ahead. Solution 2. The Dark Forest. What if intelligent civilizations exist, but they're all hiding? Space is dark and silent. You don't know who's out there. You don't know their intentions. If you announce yourself, a more advanced civilization might destroy you. Not malice, just efficiency. Eliminating future competition. Every civilization learns the same lesson. Stay silent. And if you detect another, eliminate them first. The silence isn't absence, it's survival. Solution 3. The Zoo Hypothesis. What if aliens are watching us but keeping their distance? They're waiting for us to reach a certain level, maturity. Then they'll make contact. Solution 4. They exist, but we can't recognize them. They might communicate in ways we can't imagine. We might be surrounded by alien communication and completely unable to recognize it. Solution 5. Simulation theory. What if the universe isn't real? What if we're inside a simulation? No other civilizations because the simulation only rendered us. We're the only real players. Solution 6. The Rare Earth Hypothesis. What if intelligent life is almost impossibly rare? Remove any of these factors and intelligent life might never develop. We're not common. We're a miracle. Solution 7. They're already here. What if we've been visited but don't recognize it or didn't look carefully? SETI has been searching for decades, but we've only examined a tiny fraction of the sky. We might be missing them. Solution 8. The Planetarium Hypothesis. An advanced civilization is projecting a fake universe around us, making space appear empty when it isn't, giving us a false cosmic view. Why? To protect us, to study us. Solution 9. We are the first. Maybe we're not late to the party, maybe we're early. The universe needed time for heavy elements to form. Maybe we're the first to emerge in an otherwise empty universe. That would mean the silence is natural, not frightening. We just got here before everyone else. But here's what makes the paradox truly haunting. We've only been broadcasting for about 100 years. Our radiosphere is only 100 light years across. The Milky Way is 100,000 light years across. In cosmic terms, we're screaming into the void for a fraction of a second and asking why nobody responded. But this also means any civilization that could detect us is extremely close, within 100 light years. Our signals are leaking into space, but they fade with distance. We might be whispering, thinking we're shouting. In 1977, astronomers detected the WOW signal, a 72-second burst that matched expectations perfectly. It was never detected again. We still don't know what it was. Then Oumuamua. In 2017, an object from interstellar space, unlike any asteroid or comet, elongated, tumbling, accelerating. Harvard's Avi Loeb suggested it might be alien technology. The debate continues. And UAP reports. The Pentagon acknowledged unexplained aerial phenomena with capabilities beyond known physics, not confirming aliens, but not explaining them either. The honest answer is, we don't know. We don't know if we're alone. We don't know if the silence means safety or catastrophe ahead. We don't know if the filter is behind us or in front of us. But here's the profound reality. We are the universe becoming aware of itself. We are the first species on this planet to look at the stars and ask, is anyone out there? That question itself is extraordinary. Most species never ask it. We did. The fact that we haven't found anyone yet doesn't mean they're not there. The search is just beginning. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. We've been looking for 70 years. We've barely started looking. The silence isn't an answer, it's a challenge. And somewhere, perhaps 40 light years away, maybe another civilization is asking the same question. Where is everybody?